Hello guys, good morning. So today we are vlogging from a new city. It's at the Frankfurt. Unfortunately my father is going back home. So I'm here to drop him. Sonia is at the home and my mom is gonna stay. So they are there at the home, but I'm here in Frankfurt. So, but yeah, it gives a chance to travel across one more city. Also, so we'll go around. So, Baba, are you excited or you are sad because you have to go still?
नहीं, वो तो अलग बात है, जाना पड़ेगा, मजबूरी है, बच्चा छोड़ के आना पड़ेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगता मुझे। तो जैसे प्रीवियस स्टेशन से जब वो आ रहा था, मैं चेक कर देखा जिससे, तो ये सिटी शायद उससे बड़ा ही बहुत बड़ा सब बिल्डिंग था, पर उसी स्टाइल में उन्होंने मेंटेन कर रखे हैं, जिससे बाकी सिटी हम लोग तो घूमे जो देखे।
It's like financial capital, so you can see big buildings and like Mumbai where the buildings will be big and many high-rise buildings here.
वो मुंबई तो स्टेशन नहीं देखा मैं, कलकत्ता स्टेशन देखा तो सोच रहा था सुनूंगा जैसे उसका भी
Design,
में है,
design is like that, right?
वो अच्छा तो लग रहा है, देखें उसको अभी सिटी को देखते हैं कैसे लग रहा है, क्या हो रहा है।
Yep. Yeah, so we'll just go to washroom and freshen up ourselves, and then we'll go across the city. There is a 8-hour gap, so we can go around the city. It's not very big, so we can at least get the idea of city and old town as well as some food items. Let's see. It's gonna be a sunny day. The sun is shining right now, so it would be fun to go around the city. So guys, last week we were in the north and now we are in the south. You can already see the difference in the architecture. It already gives the vibe of France and all. You can see like the buildings are looking like Paris, which I saw in the Paris. So already the infrastructure is changing so much. But yeah, the city is little dirty as compared to even Berlin. People are throwing garbage here and there. Now the cleaners are there and cleaning. We are very early, so maybe it will get clean, but you can see people throwing many things everywhere. It's very rare to see. You can see the garbage everywhere. Maybe whether there was a strike yesterday or maybe it's too early. We also do not wake up very early any day, so maybe it's just gonna change in few hours. So here is the big Euro sign. That's why it's the financial capital. You can see the huge buildings. Almost all the banks have headquarters here in Frankfurt. So it's very important. Therefore, it's like very important financial hub for Germany as well as for Europe, actually, whole of Europe. Today is Saturday, that's why this area is very quiet. Otherwise, I can imagine this to be full of people because there are offices everywhere and so many banks. You can imagine like people rushing to their job because this is a very, corporate lifestyle. I can imagine like people rushing towards their job with the coffee in hand. That's what I can imagine actually this area. So here is the famous Main River. That's why it's called Frankfurt am Main. And there is that famous footbridge. We will go there and pass the bridge. Yeah, it's good. Like it's very early it's not too early. It's 7:30, but the sun is shining and the water looks pretty good. Okay, this bridge is full of locks for the love of partners as well as I saw for the family. And the view comes good from this bridge. Definitely, that's why it's one of the iconic footprints of Germany. So, you can see the cathedral on the other side. So that's where we will go next. Yeah, that's the old famous old town, and we can find the old city square there. Old town square. Yeah, so let's see how it is. Yeah, it's getting sunnier, and I mean right now it's very nice actually to go around. It's good that we came here very early and we can move around the city. It's right now it's quiet. People are just jogging everywhere. There is CSD party for this 3 days, so it will be loud and crazy. I think during the evening you can find it full of people.
अच्छा लगने लगा, मतलब ये नया पुराना दोनों का मिक्सचर है। ये साइड देखते हैं, इधर देखोगे पुराना,
Yeah.
साइड में नया।
Exactly, like here it's cathedral and all the old buildings which they have kept and they have restored as they are, and here it's full of corporate glasses and full of big buildings. But yeah, we are going towards Römerberg, like the historical town, and towards the center you can already see the old buildings and some restored buildings. Yeah, you can see the historical city center, and it gives the vibe that Frankfurt was not a very big city because it's not a huge center, but now it has been developed into such an important city of whole of Europe. Maybe if we get some time to go to some museum or Frankfurt Museum, we would go. But yeah, so it would be fun to know why they chose Frankfurt as the financial capital. And I'm missing Sonia so much. It would have been so good if she would have been here as well. Okay, we are just resting at the city center right now. I mean, everything is closed. We are so early. Like, wow. You can see just everything is closed right now. All the cafes here. Still they are cleaning. But it's good to travel like this sometimes when you see the things as they are and not many people around. So after many tries, we finally get inside one of the church in Germany. We went to few cities, but every time either it was closed or it was under construction. But yeah, finally one church inside Germany. How was it? Well, architecture.
सबसे मजा बात हुआ, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि जो चीज़ डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया तो फोटो देना था, उसके बाद हम लोग जो रिकंस्ट्रक्ट किए हैं वो एक्चुअली सोचने वाली चीज़ है। हम लोग हर चीज़ बोलते हैं हाँ तो बर्बाद हो गया तो क्या करेंगे, पर वो चीज़ बर्बाद के बाद कैसे उसको फिर से मतलब डेवलप करके एज यूजुअल उसको रखे हैं प्रिजर्व करके, और उसी को वही मेंटेन किए जैसे था, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है एक्चुअली।
Right, like so they rebuilt after the World War. It was completely destroyed, but they rebuilt it so beautifully, and they tried to keep the architecture as much as possible. You can see the Gothic structure in all of various churches across Germany, and it is also very pretty. Yeah, and that's fun. Like when you go and sit for some time, you can check out the history of the places that you are right now, and that's so fun. It's good that we are out so early and there's no rush. So I'm looking for the history all the time related to the buildings. Right now again we are in Anjapur restaurant, which we went on my birthday. But yeah, we are not that hungry, so we will just have chicken 65 and cola. So Papa, how was Indian food here in general?
हम लोग लास्ट टाइम गए तभी रिसेंटली कुनो बद्रे से पहले अच्छा था उसका। और वो जो हम लोग उससे पहले गए थे
Yeah,
क्या वो
the business lunch.
कश्मीरी ने क्या वो उधर का उधर जो गए थे बिजनेस लंच जो करने गए थे
Yeah.
तो अच्छा था।
Yeah.
तो उधर जो हम लोग खाए वो
Yeah, in
बाहर जो गए थे।
रोस्टॉक में वो बस आई थिंक एक ही जगह खराब था, रोस्टॉक में. Yeah. Yeah, actually they were quite pleased. Like they didn't have that much complain about food. So we took also to our favorites. So we have also found out the gems. So yeah, they also enjoyed Indian food in general. Yeah, this is the last day for this trip. But then he will be again soon, and we'll explore more restaurants next time. Maybe he will eat more European food next time because this was very difficult for him. But maybe next time he will eat. So guys, the taste was so good that we ended up ordering more food, although we were not that hungry. So we ordered Chettinad style chicken roast masala. It looks good. Okay guys, finally, yeah, this will be the last meal for the day. And so let's see you at the airport. Yeah, it's sad that he has to leave for, of course, the work calls. But yeah, what can be done? And I also wanted to show you the lockers. So it's near the 23rd platform. I mean, I could not show you in the morning like how to store and what's the price. Now I'll show you where it exactly is. So it's exactly near 23rd platform of Frankfurt main station. And it costs €5 for 24 hours. So I'll show you the lockers now. So you have smaller lockers like this. And then you move and move. These are a little smaller for small lockers. One is open, you can see how it is. And these are the big lockers. So we had the big bag, and this is our locker because of that man, I remember. But yeah, so you have to just pay here €5. It shows you, but because now it's paid, it's not showing up. And then you have the key here, you just remove it and take with you. So now we will just try to get our luggage back, and then we have to go to the airport. We'll have to book a ticket for my papa. And then, yeah. So now you can see, because it's now open, it shows that it's €5. But you can see the area is quite big. You can store one very big luggage. Yeah, you can see it's a huge luggage. As well as one bag, and also on the top of that also you can put one bag. So easily you can store 3 bags. So I mean, in general also when you travel per person, it's like 30 kgs allowed or 40 kgs you can easily store here. And it's good, you just pay and go, and you have the key, so you are sure when to, and you can just come back and take this. And now it's done. That's all. So finally, Papa, how was your whole trip?
ट्रिप तो बहुत अच्छा था। और अभी ऑफिस तो जाना है, 50 दिन छुट्टी उधर टेंशन रहेगा अभी करने के लिए। आदमी तो कोनो को मिस करेगा, उसका कुछ उपाय नहीं। अभी घर में और प्रॉब्लम होगा क्योंकि घर में भी कोई नहीं है। ऑफिस में जब तक आदमी ऑफिस में बैठा ठीक है, उधर टेंशन रह के काम खत्म करके आएगा, आगे बाद फिर से शुरू होगा कुनू का बात।
वही
और क्या करेंगे बता,
होता है।
अभी ऐसे ही 7 साल ऐसे ऐसे होगा, चलता रहेगा लाइफ।
और ये फ्रैंकफर्ट कैसा लगा आपको? और
फ्रैंकफर्ट तो नहीं, फ्रैंकफर्ट तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, ठीक है। आने से तो लगता है वही, अभी जब तक अभी डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट तो सब यहीं से है फ्रैंकफर्ट में, तो माना जाना लगा रहेगा। अब सेकंड ईयर कब आने से उसको और अच्छे से उसको सिटी घूमेंगे, देखेंगे और कुछ।
तो फाइनल जर्मनी कैसा लगा आपको इन टोटल? हाउ वाज जर्मनी?
नहीं, जर्मनी तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। जर्मनी इन द सेंस टोटल यूरोप कंट्री बोलो,
हाँ
अच्छा लगा सर। बट अलग कल्चर, अलग वे ऑफ लाइफ, अलग एंजॉयमेंट, लाइफ को देखने का तरीका अलग है हम लोग का थोड़ा अलग है। कुछ हमें भी आके कुछ सीखना मिलता है।
और कुछ एक तो मतलब दिमाग में कुछ नया चीज लेके तो जरूर जाओगे।
हाँ हाँ,
मतलब
डेफिनेटली।
एक न्यूनेस,
हाँ वो
कुछ
तो
सोच
रहेगा।
का।
हाँ, कुछ कुछ लगता है जैसे कुछ चीज़ें बहुत पसंद आए, आदमी सोचता है कि नहीं अपना अगर कुछ घर करे या आदमी जहाँ रहे उस चीज़ को फॉलो करे, अच्छा लगे वहाँ पे। और तो समाज को तो सुधारने से नहीं होगा ना, खुद को पहले सुधार के सब करना पड़ेगा, अपने से शुरुआत करना है।
प्रॉब्लम्स तो हर जगह होता है, यहाँ पे भी है, वहाँ पे भी।
कोशिश करेंगे मतलब सब आप पहले खुद से जो अच्छा हो सके वो करने के लिए।
Also, like, it was first time for me to come to Frankfurt. Frankfurt is nice city. I mean, yeah, as you know, the area nearby Central Station has some issue that I could see as well. But in general, they have maintained it beautifully, like all the European cities. But yeah, it was fun, and we were there on the day of CSD, so it was lively. The city was more lively on the weekend. Yeah, overall it was good, and of course, yeah, Papa has to go. He has to work. It's very sad. Yeah, and we all will miss him. They are in Sonia and Mama and Arav are in the home, but they are messaging that we miss you, and yeah, but that's what it is. Because of this, we will be going next time to India, hopefully very soon, and yeah, we will meet them there in person. But otherwise, video calls will be daily, anyways. Okay, I mean, with this I would like to say goodbye actually for this video, because I don't want to show emotional parts. So with this, goodbye guys, have fun, and to not miss out this amazing video, please like, share, subscribe our channel so that we will keep entertaining you with the real life videos. See you guys.